Celebrity Chef Mark
The
Kalick.
one, the only, Chef Mark.
Our buddy, Chef Mark Kalick.
We have celebrity chef Mark Kalick.
Hi everyone, Chef Mark with Appliance Factory in Mattress Kingdom, and I'm here answering your Dial a Chef questions. Remember to send your questions into dialchefmark@gmail.com. I'll make sure to answer your questions in video form. All right, great question. What is downdraft, and is it going to work for me at home? Downdraft is a style of ventilation where you literally have the draft pulling down as opposed to having a hood sucking air up and out. So I've worked with downdraft quite a bit, and when it is plumbed externally, which is to say that you run the vent out of the bottom of the stove and out of the house and out an external vent, it works very, very well. The other application for this is that it would go through a filter and kick out under the kick plate and back into the house, recirculates. Doesn't work as great there, just because you're recirculating the heat, the odor back into the home. And that's true if you even have like a microwave style with a fan in it. If it's recirculating, I think it kind of accelerates the smoke getting all over the house. So if possible, make sure you externally vent anytime you can. Back to downdraft. What happens is if I have a pot of water here, as it comes to a boil and I turn the downdraft on, it will pull the steam down into the downdraft and out, presumably out to the outside of the house. It works great for boiling water, it works great for smaller jobs, and it certainly works great where your pot's a little lower. If you have a really, really high pot, it can be overwhelmed by that. So this is fantastic if you have an island application, or maybe you have a window, you don't want to block the view, and a hood, which I always think is the best option, is blocking your view, blocking the way. I see a lot of people going with downdraft on islands so they don't clunk their head against a unsightly vent. Some of the newer vents will go flush right into the ceiling, and those work very, very well, but they work better in new home construction because if you don't have the right amount of gap up there, you can definitely end up with some construction issues. We have downdraft at Appliance Factory in both gas and electric in different styles and different sizes. So swing on by Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom, ask a salesperson to see downdraft, and they'll help answer any more of your questions. Thanks for liking and subscribing.